Actually, si Sir A yung nagsabi ng description. Pero yun, i-clear out ko na lang ulit sa kanya. Ulitin ko na lang na body talaga na.
Ang ingay.
Correct. Yung details ni client.
Ang ingay.
Ulitin ko na lang din.
Vlogger ka, mahilig ka sa labas, napapansin mong laging overexpose yung footage mo. Yung tipong sobrang liwanag kahit ang baba ng settings mo. Well, ito na ang sagot sa problema mo. ND filter. Well, this ND filter that I got is a variable ND filter. It has several stops na pwede mong pagpilian. Pwede kang mamili kung gaano ka-expose ang footage mo by rotating it hanggang maging suitable sa iyo yung exposure na kailangan mo sa video mo. And as we all know, ng camera naman ay may limit. So minsan kahit nakasagad na sa baba yung ISO mo, is blown out pa rin yung footage mo. So ND filter helps you attain that amount of exposure you need para maging maganda yung footage mo. To make it more simple is ND filter serves as our sunglasses for our lenses. Wait. Ang use ng isang ND filter ay maging sunglasses sa ating mga lente, lalo na kung sobrang liwanag. Well, I got this from one gadget for 675 plus the shipping fee, which includes lang yung box itself, yung lalagyan ng mismong ND filter, and syempre yung ND filter. And the ND filter that I bought is a KNF Concept ND filter 49mm variant. So most of the time ang gamit ko lang naman pang vlog and panggawa ng mga b-rolls is yung kit lens namin na 15 to 45mm. So I got the 49, so sakto lang siya doon sa mismong lens. And nag-try ako kanina i-compare yung bawat stops nitong variable ND filter and doon sa mismong raw footage na walang nakakabit na ND filter. So tingnan natin. So what is up guys? I'm currently at f-stop 7.1 and kitang-kita nyo naman na hindi nyo makita yung background. And time check, it's 11 AM at shit, napakainit, no? Gusto ko to eh. Ginusto ko to eh, diba? Gusto ko to eh. Try natin magpalit or magkabit pala ng ating ND filter. Let's go. Same settings to, 1/50 shutter speed at ang aking aperture is nasa f-stop ako na 7.1 at ISO is 100. So medyo okay siya compared kanina, pero ayun, overblown pa rin yung background ko, lalo na yung sky. So I will try to adjust for another stop. So wait, here is the second one, parang same lang din. Sorry, oh, hindi ako gumagalaw. Try natin ang third. This is the third one. Dito lang tayo sa background tumingin, no? This is the fourth. Medyo okay na siya, nakikita ko na yung shape ng clouds, yung form and all, pero overexposed pa din. So I will try the fifth. Oh, parang okay na to ah. No? Yes, sorry, labo. Actually hindi ko masyado nakikita yung screen. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th stop. Same settings. Same settings at same din ang init po. So that's the 6th one. This is the 7th. This is oh, parang madilim na to. So feeling ko dun tayo sa 6th. So try for the 6th is 8. Yep, madilim na. Balik ako sa 6. I think this is ang pinaka okay, right? Medyo nakakawala yung sinat, yung tirik ng araw, pero I think this is, try natin ng 5. Yan. So magde-depend talaga siya kung gaano kaliwanag dun sa surroundings mo. Pero I think this is okay na. O try natin dun sa clouds. No, hindi, 6. Yeah, I think the 6 is yeah, suitable for this kind of environment. So yeah, so what do you guys think? Okay ba itong ganito? Sulit sa tingin nyo ba kung vlogger, outside vlogger, travel vlogger, run and gun vlogger ko, sulit to? I want to see your comments down below. And yeah, parang okay na to. Oh, parang mas okay na siya sa mata, mas pleasing na siya sa mata. So I think I will settle this for now. Total 11:30 na. Magla-lunch muna ako. Ang init. Well, what I like about ND filters is 1, depende kasi siya sa paggagamitan mo. Like us, pag nag-vlog kami, most of the time talagang nasa labas kami and prone talaga sa overexposure ng mga footages. Number 2 is yung limit ng camera mo. Kahit sobrang baba na ng settings mo, yung ISO namin nakasagat na ng 100 is overexposed pa rin yung background and hindi siya pleasing sa mata kung papanoorin mo. But that time, we had no choice. So, sa post-processing na lang namin siya ine-edit as much as possible na maging okay yung background. Well, actually, ang ginagawa namin before kapag nagsushoot kami sa labas, bukod dun sa dinadaya namin sa post-processing is ina-avoid namin na mag-shoot ng sky kasi halatang halata talaga na overexposed. So, that has been my review and konting testing dito sa KNF variable ND filter. And before I forgot, a big congratulations to JFlow for reaching 1,000 subscribers and for Kuya Rai for reaching 80,000 subscribers. And may bago pala kaming upload yung video ng Shrine of Our Lady of Kaysasay. Gusto nyo panoorin, lalagay ko na lang yung link sa baba or search nyo na lang sa channel namin. And yep, yun lang. Thank you for watching and see you on the next vlog. Peace.